Alright guys, so I've given my gimbal to my nephew. We are gonna film my niece over here. Hold on guys, just give me a second. My niece is over here. We're gonna try to give it to my nephew here and see how the stabilization works. As you know, they have no idea how to hold the gimbal as steady as an adult, so this is a really good test guys. So let's go right now. Go ahead, Mia.
I've been grinding all alone. Yeah, get up at night. We can pour out the wine. I got cash on my mind. Yeah, I don't really mind, and I don't have the time. Every day I go out, every day a new route that you know nothing about. Nah, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly. Yeah, why always me? Steady on my grind, I've been keeping me on leash. Why nobody see that I'm like Balotelli? Trying to get up on myself and nobody gon' help me. No, yeah, I don't wanna be alone no more. Lately I've been hanging in my condo. You've been hating on me for too long though. I'm just trying to get up on my
Yeah, you're running.
Yeah, slow down.
Why always me?
Yeah, hold on.
Like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly. Yeah, why always me?
Jog.
Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why don't you see? Ooh, trying to call you Telly. Yeah.
Faster.
Okay, let's try to do zoom and see how stable it is. So I'll walk first, then I'll jog. Okay, let's try to shoot in selfie mode. I'm gonna just flip the camera backward and just go like this. And first, I'm just gonna walk casually, and then I'm gonna jog. All right. So here's my gimbal here. There's my DJI SC.
There's something wrong with it.
Press record.
Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly. Yeah, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why don't you see? Ooh, trying to call you Telly. Yeah. People act like they know me, but you don't really know me. I've been out here on my own. I've been grinding all alone. Yeah, get up at night. We can pour out the wine. I got cash on my mind. Yeah, I don't really mind, and I don't have the time. Every day I go out, every day a new route that you know nothing about. Nah, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli.